Hey guys, it's Don the email. Follow me on Twitter and Steam. Subscribe to my YouTube videos, market update and news from the crypto space. Today we're talking about Bitcoin price. Bitcoin price headed to $11,500, say Tom Lee, and we're going to confirm that from the coin market cap. The coin market cap, it's the price of Bitcoin right now is $8,249 as we speak today. Now, Tom Lee, caution no longer warranted. Bitcoin price headed to $11,500. Wall Street strategist Tom Lee has raised his mid 2018 Bitcoin price target to $11,500, anticipating that most prominent cryptocurrency recent correction has removed weak hands from the market. Lee, a co-founder of Fundstrat Global Advisor, has been bullish on Bitcoin throughout 2017. However, he turned short-term neutral early this month as Bitcoin rally exceeded his mid-2018 target of $6,000. At that time, he only recommended that clients purchase Bitcoin in the 5,500 range. Now, let's go to the chart of Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin went to a dip. This is the dip of 5,400. Yes, put back. So 5,000, and now Bitcoin price is 8,200. It has put back and is bearish. This is the daily chart of the Bitcoin. Now, and it's saying here that he recommended that client purchase Bitcoin at 5,500 range, which is at this range here. Yeah, at this range, 5,500, when Bitcoin went deep some weeks ago, as at 12th of November, just some days ago. Now, however, Lee is altering this assessment as reported by CNBC. Fundstrat is raising its mid 2018 Bitcoin price target to $11,500, predicting that Bitcoin recent dip below $6,000 remove any weak hand from the market. Fine. Now, a few weeks ago, we turned short-term neutral on Bitcoin as the price level then $7,400 exceeded our estimated fair value. Lee wrote in the report, last week Bitcoin fell to $5,600 and since then rebound. Bitcoin fell to this price, $5,600, and then it has rebound. Rebound means it has moved up, and then now it is $8,200, over $8,200, and then rebound. In our view, this move to $5,600 clean up weak hands, and we no longer feel caution is warranted. We recommend steady buying of Bitcoin at this level. At this level, we recommend you. Tom Lee is saying buy Bitcoin. Yeah, I think he's right. If you check out the weekly chart of Bitcoin, you can see last week this is the candle, the bullish candle that was formed, and you see this dojo, it has already been formed. This bullish. Now the next week candle is this. You can see this is a new week. Now if we look at the monthly chart of the Bitcoin, you can see last month as of October, look at it, bearish, and look at this current month. Now it's going bullish. Okay, so now Tom Lee is advising us to buy and hold Bitcoin. The new target represents 92% increase over his former forecast, and it provides Bitcoin with 40% upside from its present value of $8,200. Current value of $8,200. Lee's assessment is based on Metcalfe law, a principle that states that the value of communication network is proportional to the square number of the network user. Under Lee's model, Fundstrat value Bitcoin at the square number of Bitcoin users plus transaction volume. He says that this model accounts for 94% of Bitcoin year-to-year day growth. Fundstrat also predicts that shares of Grayscale Bitcoin Investment Trust (OTC), Bitcoin is on, you can trade Bitcoin over the counter now, will rise to $1,300. During that same period, GBTC shares are currently trading at $993, according to data obtained from Google Finance. Lee was not the only high-profile Bitcoin bull to raise his price target this week. Billionaire hedge fund manager Mike Novogratz doubled down on his forecast, $10,000 forecast, predicting that Bitcoin will reach the milestone before the end of the year. months ahead of his former prediction. Standpoint Research founder Ronnie Moas meanwhile raised his 2018 Bitcoin price target to $14,000 from $11,000. So my advice is, let's get to buy Bitcoin, let's hold Bitcoin.